Hi, I'm Mark Altmeyer, part owner and co-founder of Bark Automation.
Hi, my name's Josh Fox, part owner and co-founder of Bark Automation.
Has your busy life schedule ever caused chaos in your home over taking care of your dog? I know in my life it has. That's why I invented the Bark Automation Dog at Home Improvement System. Our easy to install system will improve not only your life, but the life of your dog.
Our easy-to-install system includes 5 simple parts: the dog collar, the food and water dispenser, the home occupancy sensor, the door sensor, and finally, the Bark Automation hub controller.
Now let's talk about the Bark Automation Dog Collar. This collar is made from a very comfortable material, and your dog will love to wear it. Its durable design can put up with anything that your dog will put it through. Inside of the collar is a active location tracking chip, which will track your dog in real time and give that information straight to you. Also inside of the collar is a unique identification code, which will pair to all of our other products.
The food and water dispenser is a very convenient part of the Bark Automation system. The dispenser is controlled by a motor-driven valve. This valve is controlled by a variable frequency drive. This drive sends a 0 to 10 volt signal to the motor, which then that signal only opens the valve to a certain position. With that being said, when the valve is at a certain position, it will only allow a certain amount of food or water into the dish. This allows for unique customization. With different dogs, you need different amounts of food or water. You can set a schedule and allow the food and water to be dispensed at certain times. Now, let's talk about the home occupancy sensor.
This is the Bark Automation Home Occupancy Sensor. It uses ultrasonic 2.0 high-frequency sound waves to scan your home and detect your home's occupancy status. High-frequency 2.0 waves can tell the difference between your dog and yourself to not falsify an occupancy status. This device works hand in hand with our Bark Automation door sensor. The Bark Automation door sensor will only operate when your home's occupancy reading is true. This true reading will activate automatic RFID scanning. This scan will search out for your dog's unique identification code in his or her collar. You can train your dog to sit underneath the scanner for a minimum of 4 seconds. This 4-second runoff will prevent accidental misreads or walk-bys. After the 4 seconds, the door will automatically open. Once your dog is safely outside and the scanner no longer reads your dog's code, it will automatically close behind your dog.
The entire Bark Automation system would not be possible without the Bark Automation hub controller. Let's dive into how the hub controller works with the entire system. When the Bark Automation system arrives at your home, your first step is to set up the hub controller. You will do this by pairing the hub controller to your home Wi-Fi. Your next step is to set up all of the devices. Start by inserting the battery into the collar. Next, plug in the food or water dispenser. This will apply the power for the valve. Next, insert the battery into the door sensor and the occupancy sensor. Then, mount each sensor. More specific instructions will be included in your personalized Bark Automation system package. Now let's talk about how the Bark Automation hub controller operates. The hub controller, through a Wi-Fi signal, sends communication signals to each device. Each device, through the Bark Automation chip, sends data back to the hub controller. This data is composed of status levels taken from each device throughout the day. This data is then sent to the Bark Automation data center. This is a secure data center that stores and compiles data from every device. This data can then be sent through your specific Bark Automation account to the Bark Automation app on your phone. The Bark Automation app is a very useful tool for monitoring your home system. The app is available on the Play Store. After downloading the app, you will open the app to this front page. The next page on the Bark Automation app is the login page. You can choose to log in with your own custom Bark Automation email and password, or you can choose to log in with Facebook, Twitter, or Google. This login system allows your data to remain private. The first page you will see after logging in is the Bark Automation menu screen. From the menu screen, you can view dog tracking. You can also view door sensor data and food and water data. At the bottom of the screen, you can change the app settings. If you click Tracking on the menu screen, you will see this page. On the tracking screen, you can view a map of your dog's current location. If you click the drop-down tracking menu, you will see recent locations of where your dog has been. You can toggle tracking on and off to conserve battery on the collar. From the menu screen, you can click on the door sensor tab. This will bring you to the door sensor screen. On the screen, you can see which door is opened, when it was opened, and when it was closed. You can also manually open any door that's set up with the Bark Automation door sensor system. At the top of the screen, you will also see the room occupied indicator. This will let you know that the dog has access to opening the doors. By clicking the Food and Water tab on the home screen, you will see this page. On the Food and Water page, you can see the current level of the food or water. You can also create a schedule for your pet. You can set a level that the food and water will feed to, and you can also set a time that the food or water will be dispensed. At the bottom of the screen, you can manually dispense food and water.
I have so much work to do today. I have nothing but time for myself and my work.
Poor Spot. No one would fill up his food or water dishes. Poor Spot. No one would even let him out to play.
Woo! It has been a long day's work here. You know, Mama always told me to save some time for personal browsing. Let's see what the latest home automation systems have to offer. Bark Automation, your all-in-one dog home automation system. I could use that. And for $300, who could pass this deal up? Buy now.
Special delivery.
My Bark Automation system! Woohoo! Wow, I'm so excited for my new Bark Automation system, and Spot's gonna love it. Let's see what's in the box. Ah, the installation guide. Let's see how to set this up. The collar. It says here that I need to put a battery in it. Done. Next step, the bowl. It says here that I need to plug this into the wall. Done. What's next? Oh, attach the bowl to the base. It's easy enough. Perfect. Next step, occupancy sensor. Says here, insert a battery. Good thing I got one. Perfect. System's really easy to put together. Last, the Bark Automation door sensor. Says here, need another battery. Perfect. Easy setup. the most important part, the Bark Automation Hub Controller. Let's go set this up. Setting this up should be easy. All I have to do is connect my hub to my Wi-Fi. Press this button on my router, press this button on my hub, and we're connected. And all of my devices online. That was sure easy. I'll tell you what, this Bark Automation app is something else. I can see that Spot was fed this morning at 8 o'clock with his correct amount of food, and right now he is currently outside playing because the door was open 5 minutes ago and properly closed. Thanks, Bark Automation!